Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into how you can use UPBASE for IT service management. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the UPBASE dashboard. The reason we start here is that it's your central hub for all things IT. From this dashboard, you can view and manage all of your IT services in one place. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's move to creating a new IT service. You'll find the New Service button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, enter your service details, and hit Create. This helps us because it allows us to keep our IT services organized and easily accessible. Next up, managing your service. You'll notice that each service has its own menu. This is where you can add tickets, assign tasks, and track the service's progress. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a clear overview of each service's status at all times. Let me explain why this matters. Proper IT service management is all about staying on top of your services and addressing issues promptly. UPBASE facilitates this by providing a streamlined, user-friendly platform for managing your IT services. Once you've got the hang of creating and managing your services, you can explore more advanced features like reporting and analytics. These functions give you valuable insights into your service performance and can help you identify areas for improvement. Now let's wrap up. Today, we've learned how to use UPBASE for IT service management, from creating a new service to managing existing ones and utilizing advanced features. Remember, efficient IT service management is crucial for any business, and with UPBASE, it's simpler than ever. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.